This unit of KBP Hinduja College of Commerce welcome you and our speaker for the session Tare Zameen Par, not disabled, just differently abled. Our speaker, Ms. Sonali Shamsundar, is a political science graduate from Ruya College, Mumbai. She started her journey of finding solutions to various social challenges and worked as a reporter with print media and various non-governmental social organizations. Ms. Sonali founded Urmi Foundation in 2011. Her honest intention to serve the developmentally disabled her honest intention to serve the developmentally disabled was seeded in her during a trip to Sri Lanka, where the developmentally disabled are viewed as an opportunity to serve the divine. Ms. Sonali came back with high spirits and firm decision to make a difference to the lives of many. Since 2011, Sonali and the team have reached out to as many as possible and have left a significant impact to their lives. Urmi Foundation received Teachers Warriors Award by Honorable Governor of Punjab and Administrator and also received Women's Achievement Award by Lions Club International. I request you all to mute yourself, and if anyone is having any doubt, please put it in the chat box. Now I hand over to Ms. Sonali Shamsundar to proceed with the event.
Thank you. Thank you so much for introducing me like this. This is really wonderful meeting you all. And I'm glad I can talk to you all like this. I'm not really, very pro person who's very much into youth engagement or something, but I got engaged with people like you when we were looking for volunteers, and there's this college called Gurukul, and their NSS unit helped us to conduct our entire event properly. And since then, I have a huge respect for the initiative that college students take and the way they pursue it. And this is wonderful. At such young age, you all are so responsible and wanted to know about disability, because when I was of your age, I was completely, I mean, a brat, and I don't remember taking such initiatives, or I just used to sit on the Naka that Ruya College has, and I used to have time pass with my friends. So this is wonderful. Thank you so much for inviting me, and we'll start. I'll start with the. Do you want me to switch on the camera or like what?
Yes, ma'am, that would be great.
Yeah. I'm not that. I'm old now, but then fine if you want to see me. Can you see this presentation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, are you all aware about disability, or have you've had a word with them, or have you interacted with them before? So, let me narrate you a story. This is Khushi, okay? And at that time, I was like recently got married, and I was looking for a maid servant. And there's this huge community in Chembur. It's called Lal Dongar. It's now redevelopment. At that time, it was huge and dense community, and I was looking for maid servant. But somehow I heard some noise in that community when I was looking for someone, and then I thought, what is it? Then I just peeped inside, and I saw this girl Khushi, who's tied with a rope. You can see that she's tied with a rope, and she was like this, and I was surprised why somebody's like this inside house. And she was locked. Nobody is around her. So this raised my curiosity, and like while coming back after 1 hour or so, the same child, I was so curious. Then I just again peeped inside. She was not able to access toilet because she was tied like this. She was eating her own poop, and that really shook me, that somebody who's eating her own poop, like sitting like that, not able to move. I broke the door, I walked inside, and I cleaned her up. I waited for her parents to arrive, but then I was not able to hold that child properly. She was like running around, jumping here and there, and I was like, what kind of child is that? And she was not able to interact. She was not able to say hello, hi, my name is Kushi, nothing. And I haven't seen such child before. What I've seen is there are disabled kids who are like wheelchair bound, and that is it. But then this case raised my curiosity, and I waited for her parents to arrive. And then they were like, the constant complaint was, बहुत चंचल बच्चा है, बहुत चंचल बच्चा है. I was like, how come somebody so chanchal like this throughout like more than an hour? And they were daily wage workers. They are not even able to stay at home and look after Khushi. So we did medical examinations and everything, and then she was sent to a psychiatry department where they did her IQ, and it was below 70. And she's ADHD child, that is attention deficit hyperactive disorder. And this was like the first technical encounter with a disability, like face to face. And then I've, gradually started looking for more information about them. Then I've realized that, they are special. They have their social interaction skills, their academic skills are slow. They're not able to, sometimes not able to walk. So it is depending on multiple disabilities. So in India, we call a person disabled when his IQ is below 70. And there are multiple disabilities like autism, cerebral palsy, Down syndrome, ADHD, where a child's special physical and academic growth is highly affected, affecting its retention, attention span, memory, fine motor, gross motor skills. These are all technical terms, but in short, I just wanted to say that these kids, they suffer a lot, and there is a special method of teaching them. And this is how Urmi was founded. But before even founding, I did research with BMC Special Education Department and the communities around. So more than 90% parents said that ये बच्चा तो मुझे बुढ़ापे में संभालेगा नहीं, why should I educate him? More than 50% kids were getting beaten up at home because of their behavioral issues. It wasn't deliberate, but फिर भी उसको मार पड़ती थी. For an example, autistic बच्चा था, his name is Sumit. He used to snatch his own nails, he used to bleed a lot, but he never cried. Because, he's an autistic, there are certain tactile and sensory issues. So this situation really shook me so hard. After that, I did research with BMC Special Education Department, and even they have their own special education, special schools operating all over Bombay. But then the schools, the dropout rate was high. There was no special budget allotted to this school because that is not productive population for entire government. Like, at that time there was no right to vote for such kids. So वो voting bank भी नहीं था that कोई politician आके उनको consider करे. So in such situation, I was like, how to help them? So we've decided to form an NGO. And the dominant complaints that we used to hear about such kids are there is no education for them, there is no participation, there is no social inclusion, they are not invited to a birthday party, neither their birthdays are remembered. So nobody knows uska birthday kab hai. Whenever we used to collect case studies, it's always कब हुआ बच्चा, बारिश हो रही थी क्या, तो चलो मे बी जून जुलाई में रहेगा मे बी, और या फिर बहुत धूप थी क्या, बहुत गर्मी थी क्या, तो फिर मे बी मार्च अप्रैल में उसका बर्थडे रहेगा. लाइक दैट वी यूज्ड टू कलेक्ट डेटा. So this child is not welcomed in the family, ignored in the family, and there are no equal rights. In the same family, if the child is normal and his sibling is disabled, the normal child will be looked after properly, but not the disabled child, because that child is not investment worthy. They are always ignored. They don't understand rules. When you go out, कुछ games के rules होते हैं. For an example, पकड़ा पकड़ी खेलनी है, कबड्डी, खो खो, or whatever simple games. They don't memorize such things. So उनको कभी भी social inclusion नहीं हुआ है, or they are ignored. He cannot understand the rules, let's ignore him. So most 90, not even 90s, like 100% time, I have seen that a special child sitting aside and looking and observing people around him playing, and there's no participation. And then mostly they get beaten up, they are exploited. Mostly in case of special girls, those who cannot talk, उनके साथ rape बहुत होते हैं because they cannot talk. And how will you write police complaint? She cannot explain or elaborate कैसे क्या हुआ. So here I would like to explain a case where this girl from our school, she got raped by somebody we were not aware about, and she delivered a baby child. So that's really sad. When I meet her, she fights with her own daughter that ये मुझे toy नहीं देती है, ये मुझे biscuits नहीं देती. There is no mother and daughter feeling. So I feel really bad about such cases. Such kids are ignored, and they are not a priority anymore. So we've decided to change this situation. So we started educational intervention. So this child cannot walk, but what, he's brilliant in mathematics. So he knows, I'm not just talking about numbers, okay? Addition, multiplication, and all the basic things he's aware. And this center, if you could see, this center is in Kamatipura, that is red light area of Bombay. It is a first special education intervention started inside red light area, and this child belongs to a prostitute. She's always working. She's not able to pay complete attention on him, but then this child proved his ability. He's now able to read, write, talk, understand currency, does shopping for her mother or with her. So and that is like the mother, when she saw कि अरे ये इसको लिखना भी आता है, इसको पढ़ना भी आता है, they get surprised, you know, because they don't expect excellent things from such kids. So at Urmi, we try to erase that impossible, they cannot do it. We make sure that every single child is worthy enough and he learns well. Next program is occupational therapy. So in this therapy is mostly applied to those who cannot walk or move, or sit at one place, who cannot chew food, who cannot crawl. It depends, what the child's physical disability is, and accordingly this session is formed. And I would like to salute my team, because they work really hard. एक बच्चे को पेंसिल पकड़ने को, ट्राइपॉड ग्रिप डेवलप करने के लिए it takes 6 months to 1 year. Imagine 1 year a special educator continuously instructing that child and telling him pencil kaisi pakadni hai. Many times people don't understand this, they just feel ye kya hai, 6 mahine mein ek pencil hi to pakada hai bacche ne. So they mostly, that's why we face problem with the donations also, that अरे 6 महीना बच्चा सिर्फ पेंसिल पकड़ता है, 2 साल बच्चा सिर्फ चलने के लिए इन्वेस्ट करता है, ये भी कोई प्रोजेक्ट है क्या? But then this is how it is, and there is no awareness in the corporate as well as in the society about the growth rate, and because of the gestation period, this project gets suffered a lot. But then we have cases where kids have learned to walk, stand, crawl, do everything independently. So occupational therapy deals with that. Next is speech therapy. As I've said, speech therapy is very, very important. If you cannot express your needs and emotion, the child remains idle like that. So we try to develop, speech in that child that starts with babbling and ends with simple sentence form. आपको जब आप मेरा presentation सुनोगे, आपको ये सारी चीजें बहुत सिंपल लगेगी, लेकिन इसमें हमें बहुत स्ट्रगल लगता है. So I don't know how to convey that, but then I hope you'll understand this effort. So because speech therapy, again, it's very, very slow process. बच्चे को vowels a e बोलने के लिए भी 3-4 साल लगते हैं. Some kids take 2 years to 5 years just to move their tongue. So very, very intense project it is. So speech therapy basically deals with verbal and non-verbal communication, so that no child will get abused. Every child can explain or express their needs and emotion to the people around him. Next is art therapy. This will interest you because this therapy deals with fine art activities like coloring, painting, and clay and songs and everything. But then core of this activity is developing eye-hand coordination, seeing illustrations and everything. So this is very participative activity, we would like to say, because we always invite volunteers to practice art therapy with us. Through this therapy, they can have fun, and also they can teach child, because it's a fun way of learning. So again, it is a color-based thing. So many artists also, they come and they participate and they enjoy with our kids. So if anybody is interested, they would like to volunteer, you can do art therapy with our kids. This is very interesting stuff, and they learn a lot through art therapy. This is behavior modification therapy. Behavior modification. So many times people say that behavior is very person centric. Behavior इसका behavior अच्छा नहीं है, ये बहुत rude है, ये बहुत अच्छा है. This is how we generally terminology हम लोग use करते हैं when we talk about behavior. But in case of special kids, the behavior is something which is सेल्फ हर्टिंग बिहेवियर. बहुत सारे बच्चों को खुद को मारने की आदत होती है, खुद को हर्ट करने की आदत होती है, फिर दूसरे को बाइट करने की आदत होती है. कुछ बच्चों को बॉडी रॉकिंग की बिहेवियर की आदत होती है. So there are 5 types of multiple behavior which special kids show, and our aim is to reduce that behavior, because how can I explain this? Every time he will jump on that trampoline and learn. He's not able to sit at one place. Imagine 5 घंटा बच्चा trampoline पे jump मार रहा है. 5 hours on the trampoline. Is it possible? He used to get dizzy and all that, but still he needs that stimulatory behavior. So he used to jump all the time. So we took positive and negative reinforcement, application, and make sure that the behavior is reduced. If the behavior is not reduced, child is not able to, socialize properly. So the main objective is to reduce target behavior and make that child socially acceptable. Next is parents counseling. So most of the times mothers are blamed for delivering a special child. It's not father, but basically it's both, and it's accidental sometimes. But then it's always a mother who's blamed for delivering a special child, and it's her duty to look after that child. It's her duty to clean that child. Everything is about mother. So most of the time mothers are very when they enroll at Urmi, they feel very sad for themselves. I'm very unfortunate. I have a special child. My special child is not learning well. He's not loved by others. He's not cared by others. Other family members abuse my child. They don't look after my child when I'm not there. So, this is very traumatic. So, coping with disability is another burning issue when we enroll parents. And this is very funny. When a mother comes and visits us, she'll tell you like 1,000 list of bad habits her child has developed, or bad things about the child. जैसे कि मेरा बच्चा ये नहीं करता, वो नहीं करता, उसको पढ़ाई नहीं आती, उसको चलना नहीं आता. Like सबसे बदमाश बच्चा इसी को हुआ, you'll feel. But at the same time हमने एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करके देखा था कि सब सारे जो पेरेंट्स थे, they used to complain a lot about their special child. उनको साथ में बुलाया और बोला कि ठीक है, आपके पास से 15 पेरेंट्स साथ में हमने लिए, आपको 15 बच्चे हैं जो स्पेशल है, आपको हम अच्छे बच्चे दे देंगे, क्या आप रिप्लेस करेंगे आपके बच्चे को इसके साथ? सो मदर्स well obviously no mother will say that हाँ मैं replace कर लूंगी, but then this is how we parent understood कि ये बच्चा मुझे हुआ है, इसे मुझे accept करना है, and I have to provide proper intervention so that disability is reduced and the child will be maximum independent physically and otherwise also. But then parent counseling took so much time because most of the times mothers get beaten up by their husbands for not for delivering a special child. कभी कभी बच्चा शोर करता है तो उसकी मदर इन लॉ उसको साइकोलॉजिकल या फिजिकल अब्यूज करते हैं, एंड वी हैव किड्स फ्रॉम लो इनकम कम्युनिटी. सो यहाँ पे सेफ्टी, सिक्योरिटी, रिस्पेक्ट, ये सारी चीज़ें एब्सेंट है. सो वर्किंग विद सच ट्रॉमेटिक पेरेंट्स इज वेरी वेरी चैलेंजिंग, एंड आवर काउंसलिंग टीम हैंडल्स दिस entire counseling program really well. So ये हमारा एक प्रोग्राम है जो मेंटल हेल्थ पे ये करता है. सो नेक्स्ट मीनवाइल आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट किड्स जिनको हम पढ़ाई करना सिखाते हैं, जिनको हम मतलब ये टिपिकल मैंने आपको प्रोग्राम्स बताया. व्हाट नेक्स्ट? सो वी हैव वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग यूनिट. इन दैट दे मेक like we have so they have two types of job. One is seasonal and one is not seasonal. So not seasonal job is making holy color. So if you could see, they're making holy color, but these holy colors are made out of Johnson and Johnson baby powder and edible safe colors. So they are skin friendly holy colors, and we've got corporate orders for these colors, and all the kids, like we have 5 self-help groups, and they've earned more than 5 lakh rupees in just like 10 days. So yeah, I mean this worked very well, but again agar holi hai to hi colors jana hai, otherwise there is no market for that. So what we have done, all the centers or all these are located, we made that entire zone plastic bag free. So the community where they stay, they constantly produce paper bags, and this is how they are employed throughout the year, and they receive money for that. So I'm very proud and I feel really great and happy to share that every single child above 18 years employed is currently paying unke ghar ka electricity bill, water bill, and vegetable. So this is how they are making mark, and or they are respected in their family because they are taking financial responsibility. But not all the kids are like that, because these kids are not really severe. We do have severe kids, and they haven't received intervention at early stage. So consequently वो degenerative stage पे गए हैं, और हर साल हम लोग at least 10% बच्चे out of total enrollment मर ही जाते हैं हमारे, because they are not intervened at early stage. So for us, that's why early intervention is very, very important when you deal with special kids. That's why awareness is very important, and this awareness is done through through volunteers. Like we have set of volunteers, they come and they perform street plays, they do awareness camps in the community, and this is how child who is out of school, child who is not ignored is get noticed, and that child receives Urmi's इंटरवेंशन. एंड इसमें हमारे जो भी वॉलंटियर्स है, एनएसएस या जो भी कॉलेज के वॉलंटियर्स है, उन्होंने ट्रिमेंडस काम करके दिखाया हमें, बिकॉज दे आर वेरी स्मार्ट, एक्टिव, दे नो हाउ टू कम्युनिकेट, दे आर यंग. तो उनका एक जो इम्पैक्ट और कम्युनिटी मूवमेंट होती है वो उर्मी के टीम से बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जेटिक रहते हैं, बिकॉज इट्स न्यू फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू, और उसकी वजह से हमें बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आया. सो इफ यू वुड लाइक टू पार्टिसिपेट, प्लीज कंसिडर दिस ऑप्शन, बिकॉज ये बहुत बड़ी बात है, अवेयरनेस होना, सबको समझना अबाउट डिसेबिलिटी, एंड हर बच्चा डिटेक्ट होना और उसको स्पेशल एजुकेशन या इंटरवेंशन मिलना. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नहीं तो ग्रेजुअली वो बच्चा अगेन, एज आई हैव सेड, वो डीजेनरेटिव स्टेज पे पहुंचेगा एंड अल्टीमेटली ही डाइज. In 8 years, we have reached over 9,500 beneficiaries through our 25 schools and our partner schools. This is how you can help. So currently we have medicine and book distribution drives every month and every 3 months. Maybe you can participate in that. Through that, you can talk to the parents, create awareness, how to talk with the parents and how they'll feel welcomed and accepted. क्योंकि उनके लिए भी इम्पॉर्टेंट रहता है कि कोई थर्ड पार्टी आके उनको अप्रिशिएट करे और उनसे प्यार करे, क्योंकि मोस्टली इट इज अस एंड पेरेंट्स टुगेदर एंड इट इज आवर फाइट, बट व्हेन थर्ड पार्टी अराइव्स दे फील दैट नहीं, हम अकेले नहीं है, एंड दैट फीलिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. शायद आपको लगेगा कि मैं एक दिन ही तो आके जा रही हूँ, बट दैट वो एक दिन भी डिफरेंस क्रिएट करता है फॉर पेरेंट्स एंड फॉर अस. मे बी डिजाइन और कम्युनिटी स्कूल्स, हम लोग ने कम्युनिटी स्कूल्स अभी हम लोग रेंट आउट हमने किए है, उसका क्लीनिंग चालू है. those who are very good at designing, those who are very good at art, you're welcome and design our community schools. क्योंकि मोस्टली ऐसे स्कूल्स बहुत बोरिंग लगते हैं जब बच्चा स्कूल में जाता है, ऐसे ब्लैंक दीवारें, वाइट दीवारें. वी डोंट वांट दैट, वी वांट आवर किड्स टू सी कलरफुल थिंग्स, हैप्पी कलर्स. So you're more than welcome, because nobody is artistic in our profession. We all are like special educators or psychologists, like hardcore art or something. So maybe you can consider this option. Spread a word about disability through your social media, talk about them. And most important, play with our cuties. हमारे बच्चों को कोई फ्रेंड नहीं होता है, उनके फ्रेंड सिर्फ तभी होते हैं जब वो स्कूल में आते हैं और एक दूसरे के साथ बात करते हैं. We would love to welcome somebody like you who will come and play with them. Imagine करो आपका life without friends. You have nobody to play, share your emotions, nothing. It's very dry life, I would say. So welcome to play with our cuties. And also some like there's one volunteer, she knows this Canva thing really well, she knows designing really well. तो उन्होंने हमारी टीम के साथ कॉन्वा का वर्कशॉप लिया था, जिससे हमारी टीम छोटे छोटे कम्युनिकेशन पोस्टर्स डिजाइन करना सीख गई. तो वो हमें अभी तक काम पे आ रहा है. हम लोग आगे 2-3 साल तो ये यूज ही करेंगे टू design a communication material. Some volunteers are very good at Excel sheets, some volunteers are very good at what you can say, content development. So maybe you can help us doing that sitting at home. So there is no need कि आप सिर्फ पे काम सकते. एक इज अ वेरी गुड फोटोग्राफर, तो उन्होंने हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छे फोटो बैंक क्रिएट करके दी थी, विच वी स्टिल यूज. अभी जो मैंने आपको फोटो दिखा है वो भी सारे हमारे वॉलंटियर्स ने क्लिक किए हुए हैं. दैट कम्युनिकेट्स अ लॉट एंड हेल्प अस टू फंड रेज इफेक्टिवली. So this is what we have to offer from Urmi. To end with, I would like to show you this small video. जिसमें जब भी स्पीच डेवलप हुआ था तभी इनको टिटेनस का इंजेक्शन देना था, एंड दे वर नॉट रेडी टू गो. तो उनको पहले हमने ये पोएम सिखाई थी.
ईश्वर गया डॉक्टर के पास, डॉक्टर ने लगाई. ईश्वर कैसे रोया?
So, any questions?
How can we join this Urmi program?
Okay, as a volunteer?
Yeah, in any way.
So as a volunteer, we have multiple drives. So I'll share volunteer engagement calendar with you. You can participate whenever possible, or maybe your college can come up with a plan for us because you're more creative or lively than us. तो आप कोई अवेयरनेस प्लान लेके आओ, हम लोग वो डेफिनेटली इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे. जस्ट कंसिडर दैट हमें कम्युनिटीज में जाना है जहाँ पे लो इनकम कम्युनिटीज के बच्चे हैं, एंड वी कैन क्रिएट अवेयरनेस देयर. या
Apart from college basis, how could we contribute as an individual in this program?
ओके, आपके पास जो ओल्ड कलर्स है, पेन्स है, डायरीज है, जो आप सिर्फ फर्स्ट 3 पेजेस लिखते हो और फेंक देते हो, वो हमें दे दो. कोई भी स्टेशनरी मटेरियल हमें दे दो, कोई भी कलर्स हमें दे दो. मे बी यू कैन हैव कलर एंड स्टेशनरी डोनेशन ड्राइव. Yeah, that is because we don't believe in throwing things out, you know. जब भी I remember 8 years back जब भी मैंने उर्मी शुरू किया था, मेरे पास बिल्कुल बजट नहीं था. सो आई वेंट आउट दिस जेजे स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट, जहाँ पे सारे आर्टिस्ट रहेंगे, आई अज्यूम दैट. तो वहाँ पे मैंने एक बड़ा सा ड्रम रखा था और उनको बोला था आपके जो कलर्स आपको नहीं चाहिए इसमें आप फेंक दो. वो कलर्स हमने 2 साल यूज किए. मतलब इतना हम लोग वेस्ट करते कि जो किसी को यूज होता है. आई वाज सरप्राइज्ड कि उन्होंने कलर्स फेंके थे ऐसे जो अच्छे कंडीशन में थे. तो स्ट्रेंज, तब से हम लोग यही करते हैं, लाइक यू नो, वी आस्क पीपल कि आप कुछ फेंको मत, हम लोग उसको यूज करेंगे. लाइक देयर इज दिस स्कूल इन घाटकोपर, अभी वहाँ पे सब चला गया, बट वी बिल्ड दैट स्कूल विथ ओल्ड क्लोथ्स. सो वहाँ पे हमने पताका लगाया था जूने कपड़े का, अल्फाबेट्स बनाए थे, टैक्टाइल एंड सेंसरी इंटीग्रेशन मटेरियल बनाया था, थेरेपी मटेरियल बना था जो हम लोग ने कपड़े से सिंपल स्टिचिंग से क्रिएट किया था. सो दैट सेकेंड इंटेंशन ये भी है ऐसे इनिशिएटिव्स का, सो दैट घर पे उनके कुछ होता नहीं है थेरेपी मटेरियल, लेकिन घर पे भी थेरेपी प्रैक्टिस हो, तो मम्मी को लगना नहीं चाहिए कि मुझे क्लिनिक में जाना है. दैट्स व्हाई वी यूज थिंग्स लाइक दैट. सो मे बी यू कैन हेल्प अस डिजाइन सच थिंग्स एंड वी कैन टेक इट अहेड.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Good afternoon, ma'am. Firstly, I would really appreciate it was a beautiful presentation, and definitely we got to know a lot about disabled childs. I myself, I'm having my younger brother. He is not like not that level of disabled, like not physically, but doctors say that he's mentally 2 or 3 years back. Okay, so doctor said कि till the age of 12 only there is a chance that he can grow mentally. So after that, is it fair to do the therapies, continue the therapies? Will that help him anyway?
Of course, you should not discontinue therapy at any stage, you know, unless the child is, you know, terminated from the therapy and achieved all the goals. But then I highly recommend you not to discontinue with the therapy. Is he autistic?
Okay. No, he's hyperactive. Yes, yes, a very hyperactive. So yeah. So also I would like to ask that you said we can contribute on individual level, not just as NSS volunteer, but throughout the year
Yeah.
by being participating in different committees. So how can we contact you?
I have, you know, contact details shared with your representative, and even the email ID is there. You can email me anytime. I reply to emails properly. And also, in case of your brother, I would like to ask: is there any specific diet that he follows?
No, no, no. He eats everything, and doctors also did not say
Don't
anything
do that.
specific. Yeah, I would love to contact you personally. That would be great if you're okay.
Yeah, of course. And you know, we have disability specific diet for kids, so don't eat anything.
Okay, okay, great, great. I will surely get back to you, ma'am. Like I'll
You know, the
contact
sugar
you.
intakes stimulates the behavioral.
Yes, yes. So he's having like limited sugar intakes. Yeah. So we kept the track of it.
Okay, okay. I'll share
Okay,
the
okay. Thank
disability
you, ma'am.
diet
Thank
with
you
you,
so much.
the screen PDF. Try to follow that.
Yes, definitely, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
I will share your all the contact details with the group so that they can contact you easily. We have a question from Jay Sangvi is asking how did your organization meet there and help the kids during the lockdown and this pandemic period?
Okay. So we did not have any holiday. So during pandemic also we were out wearing PPE kit and mask and everything. We were out and we were in the community. We still go in the community. हम सब लोगों को एक ऐसा भावना भी है कि हम सबको कोरोना होके गया है, हमें पता नहीं चला है शायद. But then yeah, we were like very much active with precautions, of course, and we were there very much there in the community. And the challenge that we faced was usually Urmi works with education and therapeutic intervention more, not with medical as in like medicines. So I still feel bad and I feel ashamed that I haven't noticed that more than 50% kids जो है हमारे उनको epileptic attacks है. I haven't observed या फिर मैंने forecast नहीं किया कि ये बीमार पड़ेंगे या इनको कुछ problem होगी. But that was a disaster and we 21 kids like they died क्योंकि उनके parents daily wage workers हैं, उनको jobs नहीं है, they cannot afford medication. जो भी पैसे है वो सारा उनका food में या फिर बाकी के general expense में जा रहा है जिससे उनका घर चल रहा है. So ये मैंने फोरकास्ट नहीं किया, मुझे हमेशा इसके लिए लगता रहेगा. नाउ वी हैव रेज्ड एंड वी हैव स्टार्टेड मेडिसिन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, बट तभी मैंने नहीं किया था. तो या तो पेंडेमिक ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है, फ्लड ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है, उर्मी को कभी छुट्टी नहीं होती है. इफ यू टॉक टू माय टीम दे आर वेरी अपसेट. आई कॉल देम एवरी डे. इवन संडेज को भी उनको कॉल पे चालू रहता है. एंड द कॉज दैट वी आर वर्किंग इज सो इंटेंस दैट वी नेवर वेंट ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. ऐसा कुछ नहीं, कोई बच्चा स्क्रीन के सामने बैठता नहीं है. और लाइक मोर देन 50% पेरेंट्स उनके पास स्मार्टफोन्स भी नहीं है, तो स्क्रीन और ऐसा सब कुछ नहीं है. तो वी डिजाइन इंडिविजुअलाइज एजुकेशन इंटरवेंशन एंड अश्योर दैट एवरी चाइल्ड इज लर्निंग इंडिविजुअली. हाँ, ये प्रोसेस बहुत इंटेंस था हमारे लिए. हमारे हर एक टीममेट को बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ी इसमें, बिकॉज एट अ टाइम वो 15 बच्चों को लेते थे, उनको अभी एक एक बच्चे का फॉलोअप लेना है, इमेजिन. और ऐसे 2000 से ज्यादा बच्चे, तो बहुत टायरिंग था. बट देन या दे आर डूइंग ग्रेट. या actually I'm blessed with good teammates. They love kids, they love the cause. So it is very important, you have good teammates and they believe in your vision.
That's really great, ma'am. I have a question from my side. That is that there is some instances where we come across such kids, like not exactly disabled, but some are deaf and dumb. And so in our daily life, so how we have to approach them at that time? Is there any special, like in the communication, like we can't talk to them like normal? So it is not that we have to treat them special, but we also have to make them feel like they are not some different, they are just like us. So how can we communicate with them?
Very nice question. So see, language or sign language is a means of communication. So just go ahead and approach them. You know what, स्पेशल एजुकेटर नहीं है, थेरेपी इंटरवेंशन नहीं आता है, या फिर मैं थेरेपिस्ट नहीं हूँ. ये मैं क्वालिफिकेशन इज पॉलिटिकल साइंस मास्टर्स, और फिर भी मैं स्पेशल एजुकेशन फील्ड में काम करी. सेम अप्लाई करो कि आपको बस जाके काम करना है या बात करना है. आपको क्या वो लैंग्वेज आती है, नहीं आती है, क्या आता है, फॉरगेट ऑल दैट. Just go ahead and try to share your feelings with the gestures or write to them. Do whatever is possible, क्योंकि हम यही करते हैं. Where when I'm like stuck or if I don't recall any proper English word, मैं हिंदी में शिफ्ट हो ही जाती हूँ ना. So it's like that. Any more questions?
If anyone have any questions for ma'am, you can unmute yourself and surely ask her. Please don't unmute just to disturb the session. It just disturbs the flow.
I guess that is all.
I guess, ma'am, someone has texted in the chat box. We missed the question, I guess. So she asked that he or she, I did not see the name, but the person, she asked like, how can we help these kids in this period, like during the pandemic lockdown situation?
I'll contact you. We will design some nice volunteer participative activity and I'll contact you for that. Don't worry. And as I've said before, and I'll keep saying again and again, you guys are better than us at the community level awareness programs. जो आप जाके एक दो street plays भी कर करके आते हो या फिर बात भी कर, whole lot of difference, क्योंकि हमारा मुंह वो रोज देखते हैं, so उसमें कुछ नया नहीं है. When somebody else visits them or talk about the cause, for us, definite design a nice volunteer participation plan for you.
They have our NSS unit. They are asking that, like, this is a pandemic period. You surely are working, but there are some restrictions on us volunteers. We can't get out out of our house, and we are all stuck at different places. Like, we can't even come together to arrange such sessions or something. So, how can we in this period help such kids?
What we can do is, as I've said, I wanted to create or build a community school, and for that we need volunteers who will design something or make something for us. तो हम लोग मटेरियल लेके आते हैं, हम लोग एक मटेरियल पिकअप पॉइंट्स डिसाइड करते हैं. आप आपका मटेरियल लेके जाओ, उससे मटेरियल डिजाइन करो और हमें सबमिट करो, हम बस स्कूल में जाके स्टिक करते हैं. सो इट इज लाइक बिल्डिंग स्कूल टुगेदर. तो हम लोग वही करते हैं जो वर्क फ्रॉम होम रहेगा. सो when you wanted to work ना, तो ये सोचो जियोग्राफिकल एरिया क्या है और मैं कैसे करूंगा, क्या करूंगा. और एक्चुअल सोशल वर्क हमेशा फील्ड पे जाकर ही होता है. लाइक आई एम हार्डली ऑन फील्ड, अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई एम हार्डली ऑन फील्ड, क्योंकि मैं फंड रेजिंग करती हूँ. आई हैव टू सिट इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट स्टूपिड एक्सेल शीट, और मैं कुछ तो मुझे करना पड़ता है. रियली डोंट लाइक डूइंग दैट, बट देन इट्स पार्टिसिपेशन कहाँ से भी हो सकता है, कैसे भी हो सकता है. सो डोंट ब्लॉक योर सेल्फ और योर माइंड कि अभी कोरोना है तो घर पे बैठ के कुछ क्या करते हैं क्या नहीं करते. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. इनफैक्ट आप ही कुछ सोचो ना हमारे लिए कि कैसे वॉलंटियर्स पार्टिसिपेट करे घर पे बैठ के. आपको हमारी नीड्स पता है, मे बी यू इंस्पायर अदर कॉलेजेस टू डू दिस.
So we have one question in the chat box. It's from Yogesh Dudhai. He's asking that we live in 21st century now, and still people are not ready to accept disability. So treat them as some normal child. So why is this happening, and how can we change it?
See, it's a slow process in case of, because disability is such a बहुत ही, what we can say, बहुत ही cursed cause है. Forget them. Like even in case of corporate fundraising, when I go out, donor wanted to invest in the project जहाँ पे smart बच्चे हैं. So ये इस चीज को चेंज होने में बहुत टाइम लगता है. और in case of our work, it's very time consuming. As I've said, it's gestation period बहुत ज्यादा है. तो वो persistent करने वाला काम है. Like do you know what people used to do very very long back when they delivered a special child? किसी को पता है? They used to kill them. They used to kill a special child. अगर आप 300 मूवीज देखिए सब लोगों ने, this movie 300 जहाँ पे
Yes.
ग्रीक का वॉर सब, तो फर्स्ट सीन में पता है स्लॉटर करते हैं. That is a special child. Because that entire community is so war prone, and सारे warriors वहाँ पे उनका जन्म होता है, वहाँ पे they cannot afford to handle and look after somebody who is special. तो पहले के जमाने में मार डालते थे बच्चों को. Mostly they used to kill. So कहाँ से स्पेशल एजुकेशन इमर्ज हुआ? जब भी अमेरिका ने हिरोशिमा और नागासाकी में बॉम्ब डाले, and then the entire generation and next few generations were disabled in Japan. So this is how we can say special education का rebirth हुआ, and people started considering them. Because imagine a country like Japan, वहाँ पे इतने सारे disabled लोग हैं, they cannot abandon their entire population, right? They need to think of something which is more fruitful and productive बनाना है उनके population को. So this is how the therapy intervention started, and this is how special education and that entire stream got renewal. But क्या आपको पता है कि पूरे एशिया में कौन सी कंट्री है जहाँ पे स्पेशल एजुकेशन कॉलेज सबसे फर्स्ट स्टार्ट हुआ, जहाँ पे कंसिडर किया गया कि स्पेशल बच्चा इज वर्दी, उसको पढ़ाना चाहिए? वो कौन सी कंट्री है? इंडिया है. पूरे एशिया में इंडिया फर्स्ट कंट्री है जिसने सोचा कि हम स्पेशल बच्चों को पढ़ाएंगे. और बॉम्बे में एक जय वकील का एक कॉलेज था, इट्स कॉल्ड माइंड्स कॉलेज, जो पहले स्पेशल एजुकेटर्स प्रोड्यूस, आई मीन दे यूज्ड टू टीच, एंड वहाँ से बहुत सारे स्पेशल एजुकेटर्स पास आउट होते थे. सो इट इज अस हु पायोनियर्ड स्पेशल एजुकेशन एज अ सेपरेट ब्रांच, और अभी उसकी हालत बहुत ज़्यादा खराब है. लेकिन बट दैट्स रियली सैड. अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो कॉलेज भी बंद हुआ है, बट देन हम पायोनियर्स थे, लाइक इंडिया वाज द फर्स्ट कंट्री जिसने ये स्टेप लिया था टू सर्व स्पेशल किड्स. Any more questions?
Yes, ma'am. There is one from Archana Sridharam. She's like, are you doing this full time and how do you manage everything like funds and taking care of children and the volunteership, all the process? How do you manage it?
Yes, I do this full time, 24/7 been a full, like literally full time. It's not just me. I have a team of special educators, counselors, and therapists. They look after program implementation part. I have a fundraising manager and my assistant. Her name is Devi. So she helps me with this entire thing. We are a team of 45 people. It's not me who's handling everything. In fact, I'm very impatient with the government. I'm very impatient. मैं कभी स्पेशल एजुकेटर नहीं हो सकती, थेरेपिस्ट नहीं हो सकती, बिकॉज I get restless अगर बच्चा सुनता नहीं है तो. So my job with the kids is going out with them, posing, फोटो निकालो, हग करो और आ जाओ. Yeah, of course. I mean that is superficial level. I do impact assessment and program designing and assessment and verification and fundraising more, but the implementation is done via special educators because उनको एक नंबर रहता है, RCI नंबर. विदाउट दैट यू कैन नॉट प्रैक्टिस स्पेशल एजुकेशन. सो वो मेरे पास नहीं है, मैं क्वालिफाइड नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मेरी टीम क्वालिफाइड है. दे डू इट.
So we have one question from Rishit. Yeah, he's asking that there are some children in your Urbi Foundation like who have the habit of hurting themselves or tend to hurt themselves. So how do you handle such situations?
Behavior modification program. So why they hurt themselves? Because we have 5 senses, right? Like visual, auditory, tactile. So in case of autistic kids, उनके senses में से कोई एक sense बहुत hypo होता है या फिर कोई एक sense बहुत hyper होता है. It means that some senses are experienced by them बहुत ज़्यादा, even though they are not very high, but some senses are very very hurtful, लेकिन उनको उतना stimulate नहीं होता है उससे. For an example, hurt himself is getting a type of stimulation क्योंकि उनको hurt नहीं होता है. So that's why they hurt themselves maximum to feel something, क्योंकि उनको feel नहीं होता. उनको कितना भी जोर से चिमटा भी निकालेंगे ना, वो रोएंगे नहीं, आपको देखते रहेंगे, because they have tactile issues. और एक भी मेरे पास केस है जहाँ पे बच्चा बहुत upset था for a week. He cried a lot. और जब भी वो स्कूल का टैप रिपेयर हुआ, वो बंद हो गया रोना. So he could hear that tip 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 in the bathroom properly. इतना उसका hearing sharp था. और जब वो टैप रिपेयर हुआ तो he calmed down. तो that is called auditory tactile sense, जो कुछ ऑटिस्टिक बच्चों का बहुत शार्प होता है, कुछ बच्चों का नहीं होता है. फॉर एन एग्जांपल, कुछ ऑटिस्टिक बच्चों को मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स और रेड कलर, ब्राइटेस्ट कलर बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई ऑल द स्पेशल स्कूल्स दे हैव गॉट लाइक ब्राइट, हैप्पी, शाइनी कलर्स और सम मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स. उनको बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. बट सम ऑटिस्टिक किड्स दे डोंट लाइक, दे लाइक ओनली ब्लैक या फिर ओनली येलो. डिपेंड्स कि उनको क्या अच्छा लगता है. दैट इज विजुअल ऑटिज्म, जो विजुअल स्टिमुलेशन होता है. कुछ बच्चों को कुछ स्मेल्स बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग आता है, कुछ बच्चों को कुछ स्मेल्स बिल्कुल नहीं आते हैं. इन केस ऑफ हियरिंग ऑल्सो ड्यूरिंग गणपति और दांडिया इतना साउंड होता है ना कि नहीं होता है सहन उनको. हम लोग जो डेसिमल में सुनते हैं ना, उसको ट्रिपल या 5 टाइम्स आप लाउडर हमारे ऑटिस्टिक बच्चे सुनते हैं. तो इमेजिन उसको कैसे फील होता होगा. So they get very scared, upset, they are hyperactive during festivals. So ऐसे है. And in case of special kids, there's one more interesting thing, that they cannot imagine things. जैसे कि they cannot imagine Santa Claus. जो चीजें उनको विजुअली दिखते हैं वो उनके लिए सच होती है. इसलिए हमारे यहाँ का हर बच्चा एथियस्ट है. कौन सा भी रिलीजन एनरोल होने दो, उनको गॉड कंसेप्ट नहीं पता, उनको रिलीजन कंसेप्ट नहीं पता, एंड दे डोंट बिलीव इन गॉड. वो है नहीं उनके लिए, क्योंकि वो दिखता नहीं है.
Hello.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is there any Instagram handle for the Urmi Foundation?
Yeah, so there is this Urmi Foundation Instagram recently started. लेकिन उससे पहले मैं खुद के अकाउंट से ही हैंडल करती थी. follow either, that's okay. मुझे सी अगेन आई एम टेक्नोलॉजिकली हैंडीकैप, तो मुझे इंस्टाग्राम एक आदमी 2 इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल कर सकता है, इसका डिस्कवरी 3 मंथ्स बैक हुआ, तभी मैंने उर्मी का स्टार्ट किया था. सो ऐसा भी आप वॉलंटियर अगर होना चाहते तो ये भी अपडेट कर सकते हो मुझे, बिकॉज या आई विल बी 40, तो मेरी उम्र हो गई है, आप नया कुछ सिखा सकते हो.
There are some questions on that line, ma'am. There are some people who want to join or who want to help contribute to the UMI Foundation. So they're like, how we have to go about? Like, is there any process to enroll as a volunteer? Or
there is no process or something, just contact us और आप समझ लो कि करना क्या है. कभी कभी enthusiasm में हम लोग चलो ज्वाइन हो जाते हैं और बाद में आप हवा फूस हो जाती है और हमारा ओरिएंटेशन में टाइम वेस्ट होता है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आइडेंटिफाई योरसेल्फ कि आपको करना क्या है, आप में खूबी क्या है, एंड देन यू जॉइन अस. और इवन आपको लगता है कि आप कंफ्यूज्ड है, डोंट वरी, आप बोलोगे मैं कंफ्यूज्ड हूँ, मुझे हर एरिया का एक्सपोजर चाहिए, वी विल डू इट फॉर यू. तो या उसके लिए कुछ स्पेशल प्रोसीजर और एनरोलमेंट ऐसा सब नहीं करना है, बस कांटेक्ट करो, आपको जो चाहिए बोलो, कीप इट सिंपल, इतना कुछ नहीं है.
I guess someone has to ask a question again. Was not able to unmute his.
Somebody is asking Shubhu to behave properly.
There are some questions regarding ma'am's email ID and the way to contact. So we'll share them with you on our WhatsApp groups. We all will have them. Please make sure that you don't leave the group before we give the information to you. And also we will display the Instagram handles of Urmi Foundation and even NSS Unit Hinduja on the last slide after the event ends. So you will have it from there.
I prefer if you mail. Calls ना कभी कभी अभी बहुत सारा काम कॉल पे चले तो it's sometimes engaged, and don't send me good morning वाला teddy bear, I don't like that.
If anyone has any questions, you can raise your hand and I'll be happy to unmute you. Yes, ma'am. There is one more question, which is like, what inspired you to start such foundation? Because you work with such kids, and it is not like everyone's cup of tea, if we say. So, what is that thing that inspired you to work in this area? Because as you said, this is not even your major. You are a political science student. So, what is that one thing which?
Okay, it started with hatred because my father was posted in Nagpur for 3 years. And I lived in Bombay. So my vacations, I used to visit him. And what to do, like for 2 months, I was sitting there, no friends around, it's a new city. So he enrolled me for Baba Amte's volunteer program in Wardha. For her Maira vacation for 3 months, like FY, SYT, 2 months, I have devoted to Madhya Adivasis and leprosy patients, and I hated that. Especially the Madhya Adivasi project was very difficult. There was no bathroom. खुले में ना हो या फिर ऐसा चादर लगा के, and there were so many Scorpios around, so I never used to take bath for say 7 days, 10 days, and I hated that. Like, and I all what I've dreamed was I wanted to pass out, I wanted to do career in media, I want to earn lots of money, बाकी के लोग जाए भाड़ में. That is what I used to think. But then first year I was really upset with Baba Amte's project enrollment. But then something changed within me after that, and I think that was the starting point where I've got like actual exposure to the NGOs, where I've stayed there, I've experienced everything, I've experienced hunger, danger, everything. And that developed empathy within me, I think. After that also, I was out for some story coverage, or वहाँ पे some stories have come across in Kamatipur, and I felt bad for those, the kids of the prostitute, जहाँ पे वो there is no family system, there is no support, they are still pursuing education, and that really hurt me badly. So this NGO called Prerna, where I joined them as a volunteer, and later on I resigned from Times and joined them full time. And my job with Prerna was to rescue Nepali and Bangladeshi prostitutes trafficked in India. So we used to raid with the police in multiple lanes. So this is how I've started with NGO sector work. But yeah, but after that,
देवी प्रसाद जी घर में है? कौन देवी प्रसाद? देवी प्रसाद का घर नहीं।
wow.
Sorry for the disturbance, ma'am. I've removed.
Who's doing that? I just wanted to ask him. वो इतना बोर हो गया कि वो देवी प्रसाद पूछ रहा है.
Sorry, really sorry, ma'am. We don't know because we have
Don't say
a
that.
lot of colleges.
मुझसे बेकार लोग हैं ये. It was horrible, like in my college days. I'm not upset. Don't worry.
So there's one question from Shweta Ganesh. She's asking that there must have been, when you like lost faith, like some problems have arisen, and when you lost faith, so what is that thing that pushed you to continue with this and not just
This thing never happened to me because our strength is our kids. They're completely dependent on us, so they don't leave you. You know, they keep calling you when you're in the community. They wanted to hug you. They wanted to hold your hand. They love you. इतना unconditional प्यार मिलता है, कौन छोड़ेगा इस काम को? So I don't think that there are, you know, phases where I felt कि अरे ये ठीक नहीं चल रहा है, ये कुछ मैं expect कर रही थी, ऐसा result नहीं आ रहा है. There were phases, but then I never felt like quitting. I'm not like that. As a person also, I'm not like that. So it's no. Even हमारे सारी team जो है, even they never think like we all are badass people. हम ऐसे नहीं है. They're very positive. We never call our kids the बिचारे देखो. And therapy to mainstream them. That is what our motto is. We don't get disappointed or sad or anything. Never.
there was one question from Hiba Sheikh. I missed it in between. So she's asking that if we know someone who is like disabled, so can we register them in your foundation for therapies? And
Of course, the only condition is he should get his IQ testing and it should be below 70%. Then only we enroll that child in the school. And second, he should be from low income communities. Like हमारे सारे बच्चे, they are below poverty line. So we check their ration card and everything, and then accordingly we enroll. But in case if she wanted to enroll that child anywhere in any special schools, let us know. We will recommend that child to the specific school. Not a problem. And it is very amazing. See, this is how you do enrollment in the school. No child out of school. Wonderful. Good.
so there's one question from Khan Iram. She's asking like there are some kids like who are specially able from the birth, but there are some who develops that like at a certain age, after a certain age, they start to develop some disabilities. So is it is possible to like develop afterwards, or and is this like is OMI Foundation helping such kids too?
Yes. So we enroll kid at any stage. What she's talking about is autism. So autism is developed till 18 years of age. So you never know when. And we help any child at any stage, any age. No issues.
Again, there's a question about funds. So Rishit is asking, how do you manage with the funds, and like how do you arrange all the funds for such kids? Because as you said, not everyone is ready to help such kids.
Yes. So we are not, I would like to be very honest with you. We are not doing great fund-wise. The teachers and yeah, we are not doing really great, but we do have kind and generous donors as well, like Wipro and everybody. So the challenge here is we are paid well. लेकिन challenge एक है कि we are overworked. Imagine 2,000 kids and 45 teachers. So one, second, और एक learning भी मैं बताऊंगी, कितने भी सारे पैसे आ जाए, money is not the solution. That's what I have learned from the past experiences, because nobody wanted to engage themselves in kids with disability from slums of Bombay, because वहाँ पे hygiene issues होते हैं. You have to access public toilets. Sometimes you have to access any house. हम कहाँ पर भी बैठ के खाना खा लेते हैं. Temples में बैठ के खाना खा लेते हैं. We cannot guarantee hygiene. We cannot guarantee material. Whatever material available, we create school out of it and we start teaching kids. So some people prefer set up and proper posh equipments to teach them. So ऐसे लोग भी हमारे यहाँ पे join होने के लिए बहुत hesitate होते हैं. So it's not always money. That is what I felt. It's all about attitude and approach towards teaching that special child. But yeah, we do have donors, corporate donors who donate us. We have donors like Goonj and all that. They give us material so that we can sustain properly. But special education field is very person centric field. You cannot hang classrooms. That is what the COVID taught us. So more the volunteers, happy we are, because helping hands होते हैं वो, उससे project और आगे बढ़ता है, because as I've said, disability is very person centric cause.
Hello. Ma'am, there is lack of awareness about this Urvi program. So, matlab mera, I have a thought that we should start creating Facebook pages, YouTube, so that we should reach at higher level across the national level.
Yeah, how do you do that? I don't know how to do that.
So
Honestly, I don't know
basically,
that. We need to create a digital content. That is what you mean?
not just about digital content, but जो जैसे आज हमें ये पता चला है through webinar. Okay, so just like we should conduct more webinars and not just at college level, at community level also, we should encourage all people to join this program through
Yeah,
webinars, because आजकल जो चल रहा है वो webinar से चल रहा है. और ये बहुत possible है कि सबको at उनके घर पे बैठ के अपन ये कर सकते हैं, अटेंड कर सकते हैं, सो दैट अपना जो अवेयरनेस है वो एट अ नेशनल लेवल और बड़े लेवल पे जाके अपना ये जो होगा स्प्रेड होगा.
yeah, sure. We would like to do that, but I don't know how to do that.
So as you know the power of social media, right? So हम इसके थ्रू शेयर कर सकते हैं. जैसे इंस्टाग्राम है, आजकल इंस्टाग्राम हर कोई एक घंटा तो देख ही लेता है अपने पूरे डेली इसमें 24 आवर तो देख ही लेता है. और अगर उन्हें अपना पोस्ट दिख गया तो वॉट एवर इट में बी वो देख सकते हैं, वो एनरोल कर सकते हैं. सो वी शुड स्टार्ट एनरोलिंग पीपल like volunteers apart from college volunteers at a community individual level.
That's a good idea. Why don't you do one thing कि आप लोग इतने टेक सेवी हो तो हमारे लिए एक सोशल मीडिया कैलेंडर बना के दो ना, जिसका कोर कॉज यही होगा कि रेजिंग अवेयरनेस अबाउट डिसेबिलिटी एट मल्टीपल लेवल. व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
Okay ma, I'll contact you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
We have two more people, Ayush Singh and Achal. I'll unmute them. Ayush, I have requested. Yeah, Ayush is on. Ayush? I guess there is some issue.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So, like Vinay said, we can promote the foundation through social media. So, what we can do is, like we are having this webinar, we can have these webinars recorded. Like this webinar is being, so we can create a YouTube page and we can upload our webinars there. So that is also a very easy way to spread knowledge. And we now suppose how many people are attending this webinar currently. There are 300 people. So even if 100 of us share the webinar ka link with our contacts, and even if 10 to 15 people watch the video completely, it will be really helpful. Like those 15 people will come to know about how the problems of the disabled kids and how we can help them.
Yeah,
So
you can do that.
it will be like baby steps. So we can create a Instagram page, we can upload an Instagram IGTV on it, And we can have Instagram lives also. Like right now we are on Zoom, we can have Instagram lives also, because since this is a very tech savvy generation and we are all very like what we say, so much into social media, we can have it more interactive on Instagram.
Absolutely. We can just go ahead. What you feel is right and creative awareness, do that. Not a problem.
We are getting this suggestion from so long ki we have to like upload this. So ma'am, if you give your permission, we can we have the recording, we can upload it on our unit page and also use.
No, it's all
Yeah.
your intellectual property. There is nothing intellectual in this, but go ahead and do that. Not a problem.
Okay, so we will be sharing this webinar on our YouTube channel, and we will be sharing the link with all of you, so you can share it with your friends to raise
I
the awareness.
I will. Sure. Thank you.
We have one question from Ankit, so he's asking like in this pandemic situation, we all are stuck at home, right? So we all are stuck at home, and we do like we ourselves feels like it is very much, and we can't handle it. We have to go out, so it is very difficult to like handle ourselves. So how are such the parents of specially able kids are containing their children, because they do feel like going out, and it is not really easy to convince them that this is the situation and you can't go out. So how such parents are handling the situation?
Actually, most of the parents, they are going out and try to find a job and doing some menial job and working, because for them अब कोरोना है, घर में बैठेंगे तो जॉब नहीं है, एम्प्लॉयमेंट नहीं है, खाना नहीं है, सो दे हैव टू गो आउट. मतलब वो दे हैव टू ऑप्शंस, एक तो भूखे मरेंगे, नहीं तो बाहर जाके कोरोना से मरेंगे. सो दे प्रीफर कोरोना से मरेंगे, आई गेस. I mean, they definitely go out. We also go out sometimes. They go out sometimes, earn. Lekin in case of emotional trauma and all, yes, definitely it is there. So there is this technique called emotion management. It's a psychological technique that we all at Urmi apply. uh, the parents apply that, but then they are not completely locked in house, honestly. क्योंकि वो लोग सर्वाइवल के लिए फाइट कर रहे हैं, उनको खाना या फिर काम करना ही करना है, थोड़ा पैसा लेके ही आना है, अदरवाइज वो फैमिली सर्वाइव नहीं हो सकती. सो या दे आर गोइंग आउट समटाइम्स एंड वर्किंग. हम लोग अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं टू सिट एट होम, ईट, क्योंकि वी आर नॉट द ओनली ब्रेड विनर्स इन द फैमिली, बट वहां पे इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. No, we don't have kids residing with us. It's not a residential school. It's a school where kids come for some time and then they go back.
Also, our volunteers would like to see like if you have any photos or videos about like of your kids the school. So it would be great if you could share it with us.
Let me see. Actually, it's there on my phone, but not on my com. But let me check. I have a assistant. Devi has got all the photos. Usually, she prepares. I do have on my phone, but then okay. I have on my phone. So sorry, I don't have them on my computer. All what I have is Excel sheets. So sorry. You can log into our, Urmika Facebook or even my Facebook. It's full of kids and me.
Ma'am, what you can do is the PPT you shared with us in the Zoom call, you can share that with us, so we can share that maybe.
You wanted to, okay, you wanted me to mail that PPT to you?
Yeah, maybe.
I can do that. No problem.
Yeah.
Somebody is asking for feedback form.
Yeah, you will get the feedback form at the end.
Me?
No, ma'am. So we have this feedback form like at the end of the session to fill up, and so we can have ideas like what more we can do. So they are asking about that. We have some questions.
Ma'am, I want to become an actor.
Oh wow. Okay.
Is that all you wanted to say?
He wanted to become an actor.
Yeah, he's just said that.
Love it. Show me your face. Let's audition him. Hey, who's that actor? अरे अपना चेहरा तो दिखाओ. नहीं, आप कैसे दिखते हो? बहुत हॉट है क्या आप?
नहीं.
नहीं तो चेहरा दिखाओ ना. आपको एक्टर होना है ना, या कैरेक्टर रोल करने हैं? ऐसे मतलब इरफान खान टाइप हो आप? योर एक्टर इज वेरी शाय. कैमरा शाय मतलब जूम कैमरा शाय है वो तो.
Though it was fun, but I'll request you to please stop such behavior. It is really disturbing our session.
Oh, don't worry. This is very community वाला feeling, you know. हम लोग भी कम्युनिटी में जाते हैं तो नाके पे जो गुंडे होते हैं तो जाने मन कहाँ जा रहे हो ऐसे पूछते हैं. सो हम लोग शाय अवे नहीं होते. हम लोग कहाँ लेके जा सकते हो बोलो, कहाँ जाना है आपको साथ में, तो फट के हाथ में आती है सबकी. राइट. सो गुड. We need actor to act and make changes.
We have one question from Soham Desai. Is disability a genetic reason, or is it developed because of some other reasons?
There are multiple reasons. So genetic that is definitely one of the reasons. So disability के जो reasons है, they are divided in 3 parts. One is natal, prenatal and postnatal. So prenatal is बहुत सारे abortions हुए हैं या फिर miscarriages हुए हैं, and after that if you conceive, possibility of disability is high. If you marry in a same relationship या फिर closer relationship में disability का possibility high है. सेकेंड, अगर माँ को ऐसे टोबैको, अल्कोहल या फिर ड्रग्स लेने की आदत है तो बच्चा डिसेबल हो सकता है. 2 बच्चों के बीच में 2 साल का गैप नहीं है तो बच्चा डिसेबल हो सकता है. एक्सीडेंट हो रहा है प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम पे तो बच्चा डिसेबल हो सकता है. पोस्टनेटल कॉजेज आर मोस्टली व्हेन व्हाइल डिलीवरिंग अ चाइल्ड. अगर फोर्सेप अगर सिर पे लग जाता है तो ब्रेन नर्व्स डैमेज होकर बच्चा डिसेबल हो सकता है. यू नेवर नो. So there are some known and unknown causes, but in case of Down syndrome, it is all chromosomal disorder. It is. और अगर pregnancy above 40 years या 42 years हो जाती है तो भी बच्चा disable हो सकता है. So there are multiple causes, and Urmi has collaborated with Anganwadis where we look after pregnant women and their kids so that disabled बच्चे की birth prevent हो. सो हम लोग प्रिवेंटिव केयर भी करते हैं उसके लिए. लाइक वी डू 3 months में एक मेडिकल टेस्ट करते हैं बहुत सारे, जिससे पहले ही पता चलता है इफ द चाइल्ड इज डिसेबल्ड और नॉट. एंड इफ द चाइल्ड इज डिसेबल्ड उसको इमीडिएटली अबॉर्ट किया जाता है.
Thank you, ma'am. So everyone really wants to know that where is this school of Umi Foundation located?
Okay, the head office is in Chembur where I'm sitting currently, and we have school across multiple wards of Bombay. So central line में थोड़े western line में है, थोड़े recently we've started at Mumbai, that is beyond Thane. So yeah, we have 25 schools across Bombay.
I'm really sorry, Animesh, but I guess we will have to remove you because this is not done.
बहुत प्रो बच्चा है ये.
Yeah, so he's been removed. Ma'am, there are any stories that you would like to share, like your experiences while working with such kids?
Yeah, I would like to share some failure stories and how we have learned. Like the first year of Urmi Foundation, when there's like high dropout rate, we have decided to provide them a rickshaw. And So we've started rickshaw service ki assuming that parents ko samjhega bachcha school mein aa raha hai to he will learn something, but then somehow we've realized after a year we stopped rickshaw service because we don't want to make them dependent on rickshaw or something. But then again the parents came together and they approached us कि आपने रिक्शा क्यों बंद किया, फिर हम स्कूल में नहीं भेजेंगे. So somehow we've learned that रिक्शा में मिलता है जाना इसलिए स्कूल में जाना है. That message was received, not the educational message was received. So I think that was the starting point. We've started counseling and awareness services कि नहीं awareness करना जरूरी है. What happens when the child receives special education? So you know this is how. And also this one case where that case is from Dharavi. So this mother, her both kids were disabled and we've enrolled them in the school, but somehow her husband wasn't ready and happy about this decision. So suddenly the kids discontinued for a week. So I went out for home visit ki kya hua, why they discontinued. So when she opened the door, I clearly remember her face. She was swollen, red and blue everywhere. I asked her kya hua aapko. He's like nahi main mere bacche ko educate kar rahi hu, disabled bacche ko, isliye mera pati mujhe pressure cooker ke ढक्कन से मार रहा है. And that was so horrible and I felt so bad. तो ये जो situations है ये बहुत कुछ सिखा के जाती है. Because after that when we did police complaint, the lady again got beaten up क्योंकि उसके पति ने बोला अच्छा तू मेरे बारे में police complaint भी करती है क्या जाके. So here we cannot provide them social security or otherwise a security where they are safe. So तब से हम लोगों ने फिर प्रोटेक्शन सेल शुरू किया जहाँ पे हमारे जो लड़कियां हैं वो they know how to they know tricks and they are trained for a year जहाँ पे वो लोग फिजिकल प्रोटेक्शन और अब्यूज को कैसे फेस करना है उसका कराटे जैसा कुछ ट्रेनिंग होता है, मार्शल आर्ट्स का वो लेके आती है, उस सर्टिफाइड होती है. तो दे आर श्योर दैट वो सेफ है. लाइक इन केस ऑफ मी आल्सो आई एम नॉट ट्रेन्ड बट if I see the violence I don't hesitate to पकड़ के उसको मैं फटका सकती हूँ. इनफैक्ट एक बार ऐसे भी हुआ था कि पुलिस ने बोला था अरे आपने ज्यादा मारा है इसको, तो you control that. तो होता है ऐसे. So this is how we learn. But I feel really upset about domestic violence जहाँ पे otherwise या फिर रेप होता है जो बच्चों के साथ. That really shattered us, especially my team. They feel really sad about it and उनको मोटिवेट करना या फिर बहुत डिफिकल्ट जाते हैं वो डेज हमें. बिकॉज बियॉन्ड सैड वी फील हेल्पलेस कि हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हाउ टू स्ट्रेंथन दिस सिस्टम. इसके लिए हम सब बहुत परेशान रहते हैं. सो दिस इज लाइक अ मेजर दिस थिंग फॉर अस कि इसको कॉम्बैट कैसे करें apart, because we cannot, though we are trained, हम लोग जाके हर किसी को धोके नहीं आ सकते. somewhere हमें law and order को respect करना होगा और वहाँ पे जाके solution लेना होगा. So we are currently learning law, human rights exercise कैसे करने हैं, and we are currently learning that how to go about it, how to go about police cases and domestic violence and rape cases and solve them completely. Yeah.
This is really inspiring, and we have some texts like they love your personality and everything, and it is very true. What you're doing is a great job. So there was one question earlier, so I don't remember the name, but the question was that when you started, there would be some comments from the known ones and unknowns that some would be appreciating what you're doing is really nice, but there would be some one who would be like, no, you're just wasting your time and this is not worth it or something like that. So how you dealt with such questions?
आप मुझे कितने टाइम से ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो? 1 घंटा हो गया?
Yeah.
मैं I don't give a damn ये समझा क्या आपको?
Yeah, sure.
Doesn't matter. जो नेगेटिव आते हैं कमेंट्स, पॉजिटिव आते हैं, हर बात को पर्सनली लेना जरूरी नहीं है. It's not important कि अरे इसने मुझे ऐसा बुरा क्यों बोला, उसने मुझे ऐसे क्यों बोला. Doesn't matter. I believe in a vision and mission. My entire team believe in a vision and mission. We just go ahead and work. Doesn't matter me क्या बोलता है, क्योंकि वो बोलने वाले हेल्प करने के लिए तो नहीं आते ना, तो it's okay. We give the same message to our parents कि वो लोग, उनको इतना होता है सोसाइटी का कि अरे मुझे ना इधर बर्थडे पार्टी में इनविटेशन नहीं होता है, मुझे स्पेशल बच्चा तो शादी में नहीं बुलाते. मैंने बोला आप मैक्सिमम क्या मिस करते हो? खाना मिस करते हो. अच्छा, आपको अच्छी साड़ी पहन के आनी है ना, सेंटर पे आ जाओ साड़ी पहन के अच्छी, हम आपको खिलाते. बट डोंट फील सैड कि मुझे यहाँ पे नहीं बुलाते. that is not even I'm never like hardly invited to Godh Bharai or naming ceremonies because I work with this cause. But then मैं सिर्फ food miss करती हूँ उधर का. I don't miss किसी I don't remember किसी को मैं साड़ी नारळ ऐसा ओटी सब जाके भरा है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Okay, it's up to us हम लोग क्या लेते हैं.
Oh, ma'am, society is like whatever you do, society is going to find some faults in it.
Yeah, but then it's not always fault. Okay, like look at you all, you all are so enthusiastic, nice people. मुझे कहाँ भी complain करने का scope नहीं है यहाँ पे. I have people like you with me, so मैं मेरी best चीजों को appreciate करूँगी ना, instead of thinking about क्या कौन बुरा क्या बोल रहा है. Yeah.
Sure, ma'am. So, ma'am, people are really curious about why you named the foundation of like Urmi Foundation. What is the story behind the name?
Okay, Urmi. Actually, we wanted to have something female जैसा name, जो एक woman इसको ये करे ऐसे कुछ तो हमें चाहिए था. But then like you, somebody said तुला हे करायची उर्मी कुठून आली, ऐसे किसी ने मुझे पूछा था. So Urmi in Marathi means urge to do something. So when somebody said तुला हे करायची उर्मी कुठून आली, I said yeah, that ये सही नाम है. So हम लोग ने नाम के लिए इतना सोचा नहीं कि brainstorm किया और ऐसा कुछ. तो okay, जो नाम positive है, we kept that and we go ahead. नाम matter नहीं करता है, really matter नहीं करता है, क्योंकि my brother changed my name when I was 5 years old. सोनाली उसके कोई फ्रेंड का नाम रहेगा जो उसको बहुत मॉडर्न और अच्छा रहेगा. The real name is Akka Mahadevi. So he didn't like that. तो नाम में कुछ नहीं होता है. Okay. I mean, we don't
Exactly, ma'am. What's in name?
Sonali, in fact, is उसको कुछ मतलब ही नहीं है. There's like stupid, meaningless Marathi name. And initially, there's this actress called Sonali Bendre. तो सब लोग बोलते तो सोनाली बेंद्रे है क्या? बोलती हाँ हूँ. ऑटोग्राफ चाहिए आपको क्या? मतलब. So this is even more stupid, Sonali.
This session was really very interesting, and we, the NSS unit, like our NSS unit, would like to work with you within this pandemic, and even after pandemic, we'd really like to visit your schools and meet your children and everyone.
That we would like to welcome you all.
Also, we have messages from, I guess, NSS unit of Jai Hind College too. They would also like to collaborate with you soon.
Anytime.
We have some few minutes left, and we can still take some questions if anyone has.
You can help us fit in some AC in this room, yaar. It's so hot. हमारा office बहुत गर्मी होती है इधर. Like I'm melting. And you all are very lucky because there's this dog next door जो exactly Zoom call पे भौंकता रहता है. So आज वो एक भी बार bark नहीं किया. So good.
It's really nice.
Yeah, I think you all are done. Should we leave this meeting?
Yes, sure. I'll ask Jagruti. Are you there? I'll hand over for Jagruti to give the vote of thanks.
And that brings us to the end of our event. On behalf of the whole unit of NSS Hinduja, I want to thank Ms. Sonali Samsundar for her insightful session. I'm sure everyone is now aware. All of us will try to understand them and treat them no different. After all, they are not disabled, just differently able. They are one of us. We sincerely appreciate everyone's presence. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. Lastly, fill the attendance form. For more such session, follow us on Instagram.
Thank you so much. Thank you all. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We really loved your presence here.
Bye-bye.
Bye. We have posted the feedback link in the chat box, so you can have, and we'll surely be posting every ma'am's contact details on our Instagram groups too, and our WhatsApp groups. Jay, can you please post the link again?